Lil Wayne has just listed his mega mansion in Miami Beach for $29.5 million. The rapper bought the stylish pad in 2018 for $16.75 million, which means he could make nearly $13 million on the sale if he gets close to the asking price. Luckily for you, TTP member, we've prepared everything you need to know about Lil Wayne's $29.5 million waterfront home in Miami. Not only that, get to know Lil Wayne more in this video. Lil Wayne's home in Miami is selling for $30 million. Lil Wayne has previously bought the home in 2018 for $16.75 million. So he could be making a profit of $13 million at the close of the sale. The magnificent estate is 10,278 square feet. The jaw-dropping great room has a 22-foot ceiling and you can see all the way to the water from the mahogany front doors. You also have a peek into the backyard oasis from the giant windows. The performer is a sucker for sleek design. The snazzy home features a minimalistic design and floor-to-ceiling windows that have great views in every direction. This home is breathtaking, with 7 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms as well as an elevator and wine cellar. With a media room and luxury home theater, this condo would be perfect for any family looking to live in the exclusive enclave of Allison Island and enjoy the spectacular view over Biscayne Bay. The main suite includes 2 bedrooms, a walk-in closet, and a spacious sitting area. The quaint home, located in a small town in northern Italy, offers all the luxury of a major city. The staff quarters include private terraces and the chef's kitchen has custom cabinetry as well as high-end appliances. Lil Wayne may have hosted some killer parties in the back, with seating under a cabana and flat-screen TVs. The half-acre property comes with 110 feet of water frontage. In 2017, Lil Wayne sold his 15,000 square foot mansion for $10 million. He had asked for as much as $18 million for the pad that he scored for $11.6 million in 2011. The rapper tricked out the 9-bedroom property with a rooftop skate park, a lagoon with live sharks, and a recording studio. Want to know more about Lil Wayne? Keep watching this video. Lil Wayne is a Grammy Award-winning rapper with popular albums, mixtapes, and singles. He has hits such as "A Milli" and "Lollipop." Lil Wayne has collaborated with the Hot Boys before becoming a solo artist with albums The Carter and his critically acclaimed follow-ups 2, 3, 4, and 5. He has won 4 Grammy Awards in 2009 for singles like "A Milli" and "Lollipop." And he has worked with artists ranging from Robin Thicke to Nicki Minaj. Lil Wayne was arrested in 2010 for criminal possession of a weapon. Lil Wayne, born Dwayne Michael Carter Jr., was born on September 27, 1982 in New Orleans, Louisiana. He has been creating music since he was a child and has grown up in Hollygrove, one of the poorest neighborhoods in New Orleans. At the age of 8, Lil Wayne started rapping. He met the founders of Cash Money Records and was given one of their business cards. Eventually, he called them on numerous occasions until they let him hang around the label's office. Lil Wayne's first recording for Cash Money Records was True Stories in 1993, performing with another skilled rapper, BG, under the name BG's. Away from the studios, he was living dangerously. He sold crack for a time and accidentally shot himself in the chest, according to an article in Rolling Stone. "It was my mom's gun," Wayne told the magazine in 2008. "It was like a chopper hit me, but the bullet went straight through and I bounced back in 2 weeks." Wayne later said in an interview in 2018 with a source that the shot was actually an attempt at suicide after his mother told him that he was not allowed to rap anymore. Early in his career, Lil Wayne achieved success as a member of the Hot Boys. The group has many famous members from Cash Money's roster, including BG, Juvenile Turk, and Lil Wayne himself. They put out their debut album, Get It How You Live, 1997, which sold more than 400,000 copies. Next, they put out Guerrilla Warfare in 1999, which sold 1 million copies. Lil Wayne launched his solo career with The Block Is Hot in 1999, achieving #1 on the charts with his title track. The album featured appearances by members of the Hot Boys as well as rapper Manny Fresh and went double platinum. Fresh also served as Wayne's producer on the recording. The rapper released 2 albums, Lights Out in 2000 and 500 Degrees in 2002, but they sold more modestly than his debut. His career changed in a big way when he decided to take a break from creating a traditional style album and release his first collection from his underground mixtapes. Lil Wayne released The Carter in 2004. That album earned him a status as one of the best rappers. The song Go DJ did well on hip-hop and pop charts, and Rolling Stone critic Kristen Horde said that Wayne's syrupy drawl sounds more dexterous than ever on the album. After being successful with The Carter 1, Wayne quickly released its sequel for more critical praise in December 2005. With the album debuting as number 2 on Billboard, the success of The Carter 2 created even more popularity for Wayne with a cameo appearance on the Destiny's Child smash hit Soldier. Lil Wayne embarked on a series of popular mixtapes, including 2006 critically acclaimed Dedication Volume 2. He also collaborated with Cash Money mentor Brian Williams to create the album Like Father, Like Son, which became known for the popular track Stuntin' Like My Daddy. Lil Wayne releases an EP in light of unreleased music being leaked online. The songs were originally from his next album, which was finally released in 2008 with great success. The Carter 3 hit the top of the rap, hip-hop, and pop charts, selling more than 1 million copies in its first week. The Carter 3 features many hit singles including A Milli and Lollipop, which were both #1 singles. Jay-Z was also featured on one of the songs, and cameos by Babyface, Robin Thicke, Busta Rhymes, and Juelz Santana, who all make appearances on the album. The project garnered the Grammy Award for the Best Rap Album, and the artist picked up 3 more Grammys at the 2009 awards ceremony. The artist received the Grammy Award for Best Hip-Hop Song with Lollipop, a Grammy Award for Best Solo Performance to go with A Milli, and shared his award in the category of Best Group or Duo Rap Performance with Jay-Z, T.I., and Kanye West. In 2009, Lil Wayne was on the road with Young Money Presents, America's Most Wanted Music Festival. That summer, he signed rapper Bow Wow to his label and performed with Jay Sean on Down. Lil Wayne released his 7th studio album in 2010 with the rock influence Rebirth. This came in February. His 8th studio project, I Am Not a Human Being, was released that same year in 2010. Both projects were well received. Weezy's album reignited his career. He had 300,000 song downloads for its first 4 days, a new record for iTunes. The album features Mirror, which features Bruno Mars, and It's Good featuring Drake as well as Jada Kiss. His next album came out 10 months later and was also very successful. 217,000 copies in the first week, with 2 on the Billboard 200 charts. Wayne had difficulties with his Cash Money contract, so he decided to release a mixtape and an album under the label as a make good. When he finally obtained his freedom in 2018, the album made it to #1 on the Billboard charts. Lil Wayne is known to be fond of smoking marijuana and was arrested in Georgia for drug possession and again in Arizona on drug-related charges. Wayne spent 8 months in jail due to possession of a weapon in 2007. Later, he wrote about his experience and published Until November, a journal of Rikers Island. In May 2013, Lil Wayne was dropped by PepsiCo for profanity on his new song. These lyrics reference Emmett Till and had a divided audience. On his private jet, Carter was found guilty for carrying a loaded handgun around. This incident occurred in December 2019. In January 2021, President Donald Trump pardoned him due to the situation. The rapper established a charitable organization, the One Family Foundation, in order to help urban youths. He used his organization to rebuild the athletic fields at his old school that Hurricane Katrina had damaged and destroyed. It has been revealed that Wayne's previous wife was from high school. There are also 3 other children from other women. That's it for this video, TTP member. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you soon!